Hello, I am from CoursePD and this is our first video of this Tkinter tutorial video series. So in this video I will show you just creating a new window and how this works. Let's see. I am in CoursePD folder. You can create any directory, and under that directory you can create any file, give it a name. For this file I am giving it first window.py. Make sure you give the extension .py because it's a Python file after all. So you just have to import the Tkinter in your program first. This import statement is enough for importing the Tkinter, but as I am going to use the Tkinter name multiple times in my next program, so it will be better if I make it shorter like this, so that I have to write only tk instead of Tkinter. It will save my time. Then I will have to create a variable. You can name it anything. I am giving it new window. This is the variable where I will be storing my window. You can write it like this. So I have created my first window, that's all. But if I run this program, nothing will happen, because in Tkinter I have to run it in a main loop. I have to make my window in such a way that it will wait for events and activities. Okay, so in order to do that I have to write this. So if I run it now, you can see this is my new window and this is my first window which I have created now. So you can try it on your machine, it will work fine. But for importing, if you have seen other tutorials, or if you have ever wondered that is there any other way to import Tkinter? Yes, there is way. You can also write like this: from Tkinter import star mean all. You can either mention a specific class name or function name, or you can write star. It will import all the classes, all the methods and all the functions that is under Tkinter will be imported to your program in the global namespace. So it's not a good practice to do this, because here you don't have to write .tk because you have imported all the functions and methods and everything in your program as global namespace. So you don't have to write anything before this class, before this method. So I am saying this, that this is not a good practice. The main reason is that whenever you are importing in this way, you have imported everything here in this program. So in future, if you try to import any external library, like right now you are importing Tkinter, and in future if you import any other external library or third-party library, then there might be some function names or method name that will be matching, or that will be the exact same name that is already mentioned in Tkinter. So there will be name conflict and you will get an error, or you will not be expecting the result that you are expecting to have. So try not to use this. Instead of that, you have to write import Tkinter. You can either write Tkinter, then in that case you will have to write Tkinter dot, or if you wish to make it shorter, you can write it as tk and write it like this. And now let's see one thing. If I run this, nothing pops up because it has been run, but you can't see it because you didn't close the previous one. So whenever you are running a program in Tkinter, make sure that you if you want to change the modification, if you want to make the modifications, then close the previous window before creating a new window. So if I run it now, you can see it's here. And if you are using Mac OS, not for Windows users, it's only for Mac users who is using Apple device, they might be facing this error if they are using this version of this Mac. So I have created another video on this, but you don't have to worry about this because this is only a warning, not an error. It will not affect your program in any way. Now that's for today. In the next video we'll learn how to change the size of the window, and in the further videos we can also change the window title. Like you can see that there is a title in this window. So in the next further videos we'll learn how to change this title, how to change the size. Like whenever I am opening this window, it's a fixed size, so we can change the size of this. We can also change the position of it, because whenever we are running it, you can check it, the window is always popping up at the top left corner, but we can change this position too. So just stick to this video tutorial series. You will learn a lot of things one by one. So I can make longer videos, but I will not do that because I want you to write the program on your machine too after watching this video and play around with your codes. There's a huge difference between only watching videos and hands-on experience, because if you play around with your codes and make changes to the codes that I am giving you, you might be facing new errors, or you might be able to see new kind of warnings. So whatever you are getting, you can simply figure it out by yourself, or you can let us know in the comment section. I'll resolve the issue. That's for today. Have a great day.